Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I wanna show you how to make intro for your YouTube channel like this in just 5 minutes. Stick around, I'll show you how. For this, go to your default browser and type Pinzoid. Now click on this first link. This is where you can find different templates for your intro. Click on any one which you like to use to make your intro. I am choosing this. Now click on open in Clickmaker. You will get interface like this. Click here to see the preview of your template. Now to change your text to your channel name, click here. Change the text to your channel name. Here we go. Now check how it look like by playing the video. To change the size of your text, click on Group and change the scale to match your choice. Here I am changing it to 0.5. This will work fine for me. You can also check different options, change fonts and other different stuff like sound and effects. So to download the video, click here to render. You can also choose the quality of your video which will render. I'm going with the balance and select MKV as a format. After that, hit this start video render. Rendering will start. It will take some time to render. I am fast forwarding the video here. Normally speed depends on the quality of your video which you are rendering. So yeah, it's done now. You can download your video. you found this useful, don't forget to like the video. So yeah, if you like to explore more, you can choose different template and bring out your best intro and enjoy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next time.